In this video, we'll show you how to replace the four-wheel drive hub locking solenoid on your Ford F-150. This is located in the engine bay and attached to the brake booster. Let's get started. To disconnect the electrical connector, we'll push down on the tab. It can help to push in while doing this. You want to make sure you check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. This looks good. Now we have two vacuum ports. And give those a twist back and forth. Pull that off. Same with the bottom. Now we have a small tab behind the solenoid. We'll push in on that and pull down on the solenoid. And there we have it. We can go ahead and install our new solenoid. Slide the tab up onto the brake booster. We can go ahead and install our vacuum lines. Plug in the electrical connector. Make sure that's fully seated. Test out the operation of your four-wheel drive, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.